Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel and to the second video in the series in which I'm building a new garden office. Today is the demolition of the existing structure. The first skip has arrived, so let's get to it. The first thing to go was the greenhouse, just panes of glass and an aluminium frame. The only part that caused any issues was the base. You may remember it was built on a slope, so a wooden base was added for levelling, and the aluminium part of the greenhouse drilled into it. Still, it's what angle grinders were meant for. Then the existing shed itself needed to come down. The first job here was to take off the wooden slatted siding. Next was the roofing felt. Looks like a slightly precarious job, this one. The felt had been pretty well bonded to the roof when it was built. Then the roof itself. This was plywood over wooden rafters with plasterboard ceiling and foam block insulation. Next, the sidewalls. Again, these had been plasterboard, but with that taken away, it was simple to cut away the remaining wooden panels and framing. This, of course, is where having a side access to the rear garden is so valuable. This would all have had to have come through the house otherwise. Here you can see the remains of the foam block insulation in the wall, and on the right is plasterboard piled up, ready to be thrown out. The last few pieces of the walls finally come down. It's taken the best part of a day to do this. With the old shed gone, it's time to break up the concrete base. A Kango hammer drill does the job nicely. The blocks will be kept for use as hardcore later on. The garden has had artificial turf for many years, and some of this needs to be pulled up as well. Then the soil could be dug out to the new level needed for construction to start. With the demolition complete, it's time to think about what kind of office we're going to build. I'll go through all the pros and cons of the various types in the next video. Thank you so much for watching today. Hope to see you again soon, and goodbye.